Sure. That next week is at Hashem to Purim. We're going to talk about Purim. What's the highlight of Purim? Such a wonderful day. It's the day of Matan Torah. Kippur is Kippurim. Purim is the time of Matan Torah, of unity of Am Yisrael. It's the man that the Kollel talk about every second and minute. It's so precious. All of the gates of Avraham of Hashem is open. Such an unbelievable day. It's a very heavy duty day. In other words, some say that's more important than Kippur. Kippur is Kippurim, like Purim. In other words, every minute, every second is so precious. Why is it so precious every second and minute? Because the time of Kabbalah, that's not through Ahava, through feelings that Hakadosh Baruch Hu, even though that Hashem abandoned us, He came and He took care of us. And in hidden way He came and He took care of us and He accepted the Torah. And unity of Israel, Olam Matra Devjoni, Shlachmanu, Seuda, Mereud, is unity. All of us, we have to get together. And the best Shlachmanu is that the person has friction with somebody else throughout the year. Now send them a gift. Say, it's not worth it. Once we have the unity as something that if you put it on a scale, whatever that you put on the other side of a scale is not worth it. They have to be unified together. Now, what's the highlight of Purim? I think the highlight of Purim we hear from the mouth of Haman. Haman himself tells us what the highlight is. When Hashverosh said, Haman, go and get Mordechai and take him around the city and say, Kacha Ya'aseh, that should be done to somebody that Melech wants to be a Karo, the king wants his glory. Now, he went to them and he saw that Mordechai is sitting with Talmidim. He told Mordechai, what are you doing? What are you doing? He said that today was the second day of Pesach, the day of Omer. We bring a feast of flour from barley for Hakadosh Baruch Hu. That's the day that we do. Now we don't have the time we learn about it. It was about Omer, we bring it from Hakadosh Baruch Hu. Now Haman said, Haman says that it came a fist of flour, barley flour of you, with dachi, and pushed away, and pushed away 10,000 silver coin that I gave to the king. See, unbelievable. From the mouth of our enemy himself, we hear that what happens is that in the world there are three types of power. One type of power is prestige, power. Haman was the vice president. Another is rich, have money, wealth. Haman was very wealthy. And army, he had all of the troops of Kashmirosh. Almost he had any type of power in the world. And he wanted to exercise all of them, to use all of them against the Holy Israel. Haman said, this powerful man with all of the power, wealth, army, prestige, says, came Malikumsi, came the feast of flour, barley flour, that you bring to a Bet HaMikdash, you bring as a korban, you connect yourself to Hakadosh Baruch Hu with the feast of flour, and destroy everything. That's Purim. Who is saying that? Our enemy, Haman, the one who was in the heart of destroying Am Yisrael, finally comes with this testimony. Testimony is that what you are doing, Malikumsi Kimcha, this is what Purim is about. Understand, realize the power of Am Yisrael. Power of Am Yisrael is that our connection with Hakadosh Baruch Hu, our connection with Hashem, and it's ironic. It's a time of his fun, his hater. Baruch Hu hid himself because of our sins, because he couldn't be with us. But nevertheless, in that situation, in that avira, in that period of time, still Malikumsi comes and pushes away everything. Able to realize, understand how precious Torah is, how precious every mitzvah is, how precious every Tehillim, saying, connection to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Therefore, we have power, it's a superpower. is above any type of power in the world. And that's the why Purim becomes a very special day for us to understand our own power, our own strength, and to understand that strength is through unity, being together. Momer, Korban Omer is a Korban of Tzibur. Doesn't say Korban of Yachid. Yes, everybody as the individual could do whatever that he wants. But Haman is pointing out that when you come together as a Tzibur, as a community, as unity, you bring the Korban. That's why we have a lot of mitzvot on Purim that unifies Am Yisrael. Ashrach Manus, Matanat Ebyonim, Manus send gifts to each other, and we take care of the poor people. These things all help us to have unified Am Yisrael. Once we have, like Amman says, Am Mefuzar Mefurat, they are scattered nation, they got nothing to do with each other. We say, no, we are one nation and they're one flag. And that is realization of our own strength. And Purim is the Yom Tov that all of the gates of Shamayim, Rachamim is open, and we will be zoche to a lot of blessings on this day to be used properly.